Well, this is the moment of truth. Everything's looking good so far. No leaks. No leaks. Gonna take it out. I'm also gonna try out some new camera settings to give the video more of a motion blur. I'm gonna see how that turns out. But anyways, let's get going. Quick rip through the neighborhood first. Make sure everything's good, and then we'll head out. Everything seems to be operating as it should, so I guess we'll head out. Short trip down Highway 22. Take Plumbers Road, back up to Priddis and home, and then it'll be a good shakedown run for the forks. And then I'll know for sure if it's fixed or not. With the never-ending construction here, ever since I moved down to this area, this 22X here, I guess now renamed to Stony, is always under construction. I think they've redid this bridge like 3 times. There's a little bit of wind. It's not too bad. Breeze is nice and cool. I'm not gonna complain. Another couple of months would be too hot. Right now, the spike's actually pretty good on fuel. I can get quite a ways on it. It's about 3/4 full, and I still got 223 kilometers to go. Of course, this trip today is probably going to be around 50K. Be a nice, good little rip. I ordered a radiator guard for the front. That should be here in about a week or two. I ordered 2 sets of brakes for the front because there's no sense replacing one set. You might as well do them both, and that one set has obviously been contaminated from leaking fork seal, so if everything goes smooth, I should be good to go. Otherwise, if I still have issues, I don't know what the heck to think, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I wasn't too sure. You know, I really wanted to get back on a bike, and this one here was for the right price. Needed some work, so it'll give me some content on the channel, on both channels. So hopefully we'll see how that plays out. I found that there's not a lot of Triumph videos online, but I also got to realize there's not probably a lot of Triumph riders. Like if I would have bought a BMW R1200 GS, it would have been a totally different story because those are a super popular bike. But for the price that they're going for, I just couldn't justify. Maybe take a trip up north to the Yukon on a motorcycle or something. I haven't ruled that out, but we'll have to see how things go. And then we're gonna head south here, and I need to find out where this Plumbers Road is. I passed it on my last trip, and once I get on Plumbers Road, it's just like a short little road and heads back up north, and can head her out to Priddis. Yeah, this is my road. Plumbers Road. This is just going to come down to a complete end, and then we're going to turn right, but I've never been down here before, so let's check it out. Check it out. This is some nice country here. The rolling hills, I love that. An old corral. We got an unmarked intersection here. Actually, no, they have stop signs. I did buy a quad lock for my bike so I could put my phone on there so I could have GPS, but for right now, I I don't need distractions. I just need to get out and ride. Man, I would love to live out here. This would be the dream if only I could afford it. I wouldn't even have to go crown land camping anymore because I'd have my own land to set up my own campsites. I'd go out whenever I wanted. Where I have a yield. And there is a vehicle coming. And it looks like they're turning. So I'm just going to take this corner, nice and easy. Man, this is gorgeous. Only way I could move out here is if I won the lottery. That'd be the only way. Got some sort of little creek here. Access didn't look that good, otherwise I was gonna say you should come down here sometime and pan it for gold and see, but maybe not. There's all sorts of little offshoots, and yeah, next week I'm gonna head out, do some backcountry camping. Hopefully the weather stays, because my next days off are Saturday to Wednesday. But it does look like we're going to get some rain, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. Play it by ear. I definitely don't want to head out on the Saturday or Sunday because it'd be too many people, but I'll head out on like the Monday for a night. Priddis is another area that's super nice too, but you got to be filthy rich to live in this area. Gorgeous house. All the acreages are like right close together. Ooh, man, that's bumpy. Wonder what washboards and gravel gonna be like. Got a 40km/h sign coming up, which must mean we must be in Priddis. Oh yeah, look at that place. Entering the hamlet of Priddis. I'd like to take my side-by-side around and rip around. That'd be awesome. So what's there to do in Priddis? There's a bar. I don't know if it's still open. We got tennis courts. I know there's a community hall on the left-hand side. And I know on the weekend this place gets packed with people who like to park their vehicles and go out on their bikes and do some cycling. I know a lot of people get angry because they hog the road, and I got a speed bump here. I'm just gonna hop over. Yeah, it looks like they got a gas station too. A three-way stop. Oh. And then it just goes a short way, and we get back on 22X, which will turn into Stony, and I'll be on the way home then. It's a nice little ride. Everything seems to be, you know, so far holding out pretty good. Well, I just got home. So far, everything's looking good. Otherwise, it'd be all wet there, so yeah. Hopefully, time will tell. Yeah, it's the end of the week. Time to cook some meals. Chicken. That's the only thing seems to be affordable, since steaks and stuff are like super expensive. Country Smokers pellet grill from Cabela's. Still like to get a full-sized one, but I think I'm just gonna keep this one. This one does everything that I need. Plus I can take it camping, which I probably will again very soon. Got the chicken thighs on there. Probably a good 35 minutes at 350. Now let's see if they're cooked. 37, 40. Nope. We're gonna have to go longer. Another 10 minutes. Those are looking a little better. Yeah, 167. Yeah. We are cooked. Now to get the boneless chicken thighs. Alright, boneless chicken thighs. Oh, I love the smell of a pellet grill. Oh, just smell those. All right, I guess go have a look at a power wagon. See what I think. I guess the power wagon is gone. But for shits and giggles, while I'm here, I'm gonna look at this all-wheel drive van. The search will continue. I'm in no rush right now.